Common Bisaya expressions for asking transportation fares. Pila ang plite? It means how much is the fare? Pila ang plite paingon sa SM? How much is the fare going to SM? Pilay bayad paingon didto? How much is the fare going over there? Pila ang plite padulong sa terminal? How much is the fare going to the terminal? Pila paingon didto? How much is it going there? Mga pila kaha ang plite? About how much would the fare be? Pila kaha ang mabayaran nako? How much might I pay? Pa-meter lang, boss. Please use the meter, sir. Pwede mangutana? Pila ang plite? May I ask, how much is the fare? Pila kung estudyante o senior? How much is it for a student or senior citizen? Pila kung diretso? How much for a direct trip? Situation: asking for the fare to IT Park.
Maayong buntag, moadto ba ni sa IT Park?
O, adto ni sa IT Park.
Pila ang plite paingon sa IT Park?
24 pesos.
Pila kung estudyante?
18 pesos lang.
Sige, palihog ing nako kung naa na ta sa IT Park.
Sige,